If you give Mrs. Barnes a paintbrush, what will she do? She quickly comes up with an idea or two and starts gathering the materials to turn old into new. She scavenged outside for what she could find. Then more ideas come to mind. She gathers up more supplies for all her wondrous ideas: paint, water, flower pots, and more. Old pieces of plywood, a pencil, and a ruler or two. She begins with rock flowers and plants them in a friend's yard just to see the joy it brings. Next, she paints an old flower pot, giving it life again. Then on to an old weathered wooden bird that was found hanging on a fence. She adds some bright color, which makes the bird sing again. And off she goes to the next on her list. Then, oh my, another idea. Something for her grandchildren when they come by. This idea will take some planning and skill. Now she has a math problem to do. Making tic-tac-toe and checkerboards require math skills learned in school, so she has a plywood board cut into 12 by 12 square. Mrs. Barnes takes out her scratch paper and asks herself, if a checkerboard has 64 equal squares on a 12 by 12 board, what will be the measurement of the 64 squares? All the measurements complete and checkerboard painted, Tristan and River set up the game pieces. River triumphs, but then Tristan comes back for a tie. Now what's Mrs. Barnes doing? Uh-oh, we've created a monster by giving her a paintbrush. And now we have a question for you. If we gave you a paintbrush, what would you do?